Crazy looking setup here, and I've just noticed, because I haven't done this in so long, I'm on ISO 800, which is no good. Stressful but fun. Alright, let's go. G'day guys, welcome back to this episode. It's been a long time. Obviously, as you can see, we have no passengers, so I've got the wife's been kind enough to let me off for the night and go down and take some pictures of the sunset. It's looking pretty promising. There's a little bit of a gap in the horizon. We might get lucky, we might not, but it's really good to get out and take some pictures. I haven't taken pictures for, or at least a banger, in over 2 years. So since I've had the little one, she's an absolute angel, but takes up all of my time. So let's see what we can get. Okay, so we made it down to the beach. Colours look amazing right now. We're definitely going to get at least one shot right now, and hopefully it takes off. I'm going to spin you around. There you go, typical West Australian beach. It's actually more people than normal down here, but yeah. Okay, one thing I did forget is how heavy all this stuff is walking in this sand. Whew. If you look behind me there, the sun's gonna probably poke through that gap soon, so that might be our best shot. So there's not much going on in the way of the waves just down here. So there's a bit of up front, there's a bit more of a rocky hill up there, and I've shot up there before. There's like a surfboard wedged into the rocks, so I'm thinking that might be our best bet. Maybe we do some long exposures and try and drag those clouds out. Crazy looking setup here. This tripod's pretty cool. It can center column can come out. Got that set up like that with my composition facing the surfboard and that there. I've got a cable release, and on the front here we've got a polarizer in the back. It's probably half spun just to cut some of the glare off the water, and we've also got a 2-stop soft edge graduated filter, so it starts off with 2 stops here and ends up with nothing here. Alright, let's see what the histogram shows. Okay, so we've got it's a little bit on the underexposed side, which is good because I want to protect some highlights. This surfboard, probably don't really want to run a soft edge grad over that, but we'll get away with it because I'd rather save the highlights, protect the highlights, than to try and correctly expose the surfboard and then we have an issue with the highlights. So I've just been taking a couple test shots. It's quite a long exposure. Let's go. 4 seconds, 5 seconds. Let's see how that goes. So I've been out of the
out of the landscape photography for so long that my camera settings is everything's like ISO 800. There's shutter speeds are wrong. I was in autofocus, so that's why my first image was blurry. So anyway, I think I should probably stop talking and start capturing some of this. It's getting wild. It's just starting to rain as well now, just to throw something else into the mix. So I've changed my settings now. I've gone to manual focus, gone to f11. It's at 10 seconds at the moment, and I think I'm just going to keep snapping away at this composition. I think I've had too many scenarios where this whole scenery, it just looks crazy, and you just want to shoot like hundreds and hundreds of compositions. But I think the safest bet is just let's just ease back into it. And it's so tempting just to run around, but yeah, I don't think by the time you start running around you end up just missing stuff. So let's just stick to this composition. Maybe I'll do a couple more here, and then we'll do like I might throw like a 6-stop filter in and see if we can go from, I don't know, what is it, 10 seconds now. We might have to open up the aperture a little bit, maybe go for like a 2 or 3 minute exposure, and we'll see what we come out with. Couldn't help myself. Got to run quick before I run out of light. Get a bit better composition. Stressful but fun. What a mad rush. I'm gonna have to show you the panoramic on screen, but I've got about 3 minutes left of light. Okay guys, it's getting pretty dark now. I think the first sunset back got me a little bit off guard. Pretty quick. See what we come out with here. It wasn't I'll pop it up on the screen. I don't know if it's anything too flash. Camera's been playing up a little bit, but I'm actually pretty happy with this. I think I might shoot a couple more, and we'll see what we get. And anyways, thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time. Peace. Filming is something new to me, and I've never ever got my gear this dirty. I mean, just anyway.